Hello and welcome to the world of Panasonic. Let's look at MCCL571A145 Panasonic Vacuum Cleaner that comes with a host of fine features. There is a detachable 2.2 liters dust container that you can remove for throwing out the waste in the dumpster, making the process efficient for the user. This cleaner comes with a Hepa filter. With this filter, the appliance can get rid of dust particles, pollen, and other allergens that might result in breathing issues. This makes it a perfect fit for those who have dust allergies. The vacuum cleaner works with 1600 watt of input power that uses non-stop suction on the surface to bring out the best possible cleaning experience. The dust indicator sends you a signal to clean the dustpan once it's full from using it from cleaning the house. This vacuum cleaner comes with air dust catcher technology. It catches and cleans the dust, allergens, and pollen from the air around it and gives you a dust-free place. Panasonic Appliances are rated number 1 in Japan, and now this technology is brought to the comfort of your home. With this kind of technology at your disposal, you can easily clean every nook and cranny of the house without putting in extra effort. The vacuum cleaner functions on mega-cyclone technology. Once the dust is sucked in, the cyclone separates the dust from the air and settles it in the dust compartment for easy disposal later. Isn't that great? It's just 4.5 kgs in weight, which means it's easy to carry around the house without extra help from anyone. A perfect fit for managing the cleaning of your home on your own. There are extensions in the vacuum cleaner pipe that can help reach corners of the house that are otherwise inaccessible. Want to deep clean your sofa set before the guest arrives in the house? This power-packed vacuum cleaner will give you an amazing finish without leaving a speck of dirt on the seating area. The MCCL571A145 Panasonic Vacuum Cleaner is packed with ideal features that help in keeping your home clean and beautiful. Get yours today.
Panasonic.